Dear friends, I have received a message on Facebook, and that friend asked me that which chakra needs to be awakened to have psychic abilities, and in astrologically, which planet will make you more powerful in having these kind of psychic abilities. So, I want to talk about this thing. In astrology, Saturn and Rahu, these two planets play very important role in these kind of psychic things. And in Kundalini awakening, the Ajna chakra, that is also called Bhru Madhya chakra, that is situated in the middle of the eyes, situated in between the two eyes, and there is the pineal gland also, which needs to be activated by doing some types of meditation. And when you will awaken these areas of your body, then you will realize that you can look into the future. You can look into the past lives of the people, and you can help them in a very good and strong way. But if you are thinking to misuse these powers, then you are going to have very bad karma in your life. So these powers, which are also known as siddhis in Hindi language or in Indian language, but in English you can call them powers. These powers should be used for making people strong. Usually people used these powers to make people get out of depression. Those people who have anxiety issues, who are emotionally weak or suffering in different areas of their life. So you should understand one thing, that if you want to help yourself, or if you have an intention to help others in a positive way, only then you should work on these things. But if you are having negative and wrong thinking that you should awaken these powers and use for your own benefit and giving tough time to your friends or enemies, whoever you think, like anyone, just for your own advantage, then you are going to have very wrong karma, which will be stored in Akashic records, and there after you will have very difficult time in your future. So these are different powers that which are coming to you by with different kind of responsibilities. Like you have heard of that freedom comes with responsibilities. Likewise, power also comes with responsibilities. If you will misuse the power, then you will have very strong negative effects. Not only you, in fact, your family will have the same thing. So I want to say that there are different kind of mantras which you can use to awaken your spiritual powers or psychic powers. Now, what is mantra? Most of the people may not know mantra because this is not an English word. This is a Sanskrit word. Mantra basically means a group of words which are powerful in itself. The usage of these words have so much of extreme vibrations which can unlock the psychic powers, and they should be pronounced properly. These are some set of words in specific language used by extremely powerful people who who basically awakened their Kundalini. And they used these words. And because these words are used by many people in this world and since very long time, so these words have accumulated so much of spiritual power that now you can use these words to awaken your spiritual energies. You might be thinking that why this makes these words so powerful. It is just similar to like there is some kind of a sacred place. And lots of people believe that place is a sacred place. Just because lots of people believe, then their believing energy, their energy will make that place magical place. And lots of people do lots of spiritual activities also. So that aura of that place, the aura of these words becomes magical. And when you will use these words, then you will find a difference in your energy and aura, and anyone who will sit with you, he will feel the difference because he is sitting in your auric field. What is auric field? The field in which your aura is spread. Because your aura is, what is your aura? Body radiates energy in the form of colors, and there is the limit of that energy, and that field which your body is creating, that magnetic field you can say, that field is called auric field, A-U-R-I-C, auric field. So these are few things which I wanted to say. If you have some kind of questions, if you want to ask me something, then you can let me know. Because if you people are really interested, then only then I can work on making similar audio videos like this. If I like to make, if I feel this is useful to people, I would love to make some audios at least, if not videos. So please let me know what are your interests, because it will be easy to know like what kind of people, like what are the preferences of people and what kind of topics they enjoy. I don't want to force my preferences on you. If you have some kind of preferences, if you want to talk about something, if you want to share your experiences, and if you think that I should give my opinion about something because you think I have good opinions, then you should let me know. And you can ask me any question about spirituality, any question about Kundalini awakening, astrology, anything which you consider mystical. I love mystical topics to talk about. I know lots of things about these things. If you have any kind of emotional, behavioral questions that you want to ask because you are going through some difficult time period of your life, then please let me know. Because the purpose of these kind of audios is just to give you some kind of support if you are looking for, or some kind of information which will be useful for you. It's not for entertainment only. Because you can go and listen to the music, watch funny shows, etc. for entertainment. But that entertainment is for the moment only. That doesn't serve any purpose for the long run. But information, knowledge, wisdom is going to secure your future and will give you the peacefulness in future. So these are few things. Please consider this and let me know what kind of topics and what kind of information you want from me. Thank you.